Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I have here this 2002 Golf TDI for a bunch of service. One of the complaints was that something's banging underneath the car. We have it nicely up, right? So what is the better time than now to have a look underneath? Hopefully for the customer. Oh yeah, it's just damaged or ripped off the splash shield, and actually right now immediately we can see it. Of course I will remove it, but it looks like it broke. There are ripped sides right here, so let's go together, take it off and see what happened to it. But it definitely was making some noise at certain speeds. There's no question about it, right? German automakers love to make everything difficult, so they are using special bolts, or let's say bolts which needs special tool. This one is a Torx T20, right? So in order to remove it, you just cannot use the Phillips screwdriver or whatever. You need this special tool. There are no bolts here. It's just aligned in front of that body of the front bumper. So basically all I have to do is just lower it this way and continue on the other side, which is right here with those T or Torx 20s, right? And some of those bolts might be so tight that you rather work with such a socket instead of that tool which I showed you in the beginning, right? Now we have looked together on the other side, right? That's where we started. That's where the ripped off part was. Here you can see how it's supposed to look normally, right? But there is more problems, obviously. Look how tight it is there. Why? Because this mount is completely ripped off and it's holding on only one fastener, which is up there. Also, it ripped this part of its correct place. So I have to continue with the removal of these parts. And I'm not here to damage anything, so I carefully turning that wheel. It's a special system. I will show you a little bit later how. And here let me present you the view from the front. This is what we were looking being underneath, right? So these are the bolts. There's actually 6 of them. This was at the front frame and it was attached here with 2 on the back, 2 right here and 2 right here. Now if I flip it, looking basically from the engine side, right, you see this side is complete, no problem. The problem is with this one. This one got ripped into pieces and it's missing completely the bottom. So to repair this correctly, we have to order completely this part. And I don't expect auto parts like Napa Auto or O'Reilly or AutoZone carrying something like this. This is definitely will need a call to the dealer, try to specify the correct part, price and shipping time for the customer. After that I will be finally able to give the estimate how much it will cost to repair it to an original shape. And this lovely TDI came for more service, so I will highly recommend you to be subscribed, because more videos are going to be filmed in a few minutes and posted later on this channel. Thank you for watching today, my friend, and have a wonderful day.